Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you my weekend at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo here in Mesa, Arizona. It's for 2020 and my desk is a hot mess because I just put everything on it. I have things on the floor, so I will break these up into a couple of videos to show the series. And so yeah, I hope you join and follow along. And speaking of that, please like and subscribe. If you subscribe, it'll notify you when I do upload new videos. It will extra notify you if you click on the bell after you subscribe. And so you can join me on my crafty journey. So let's get into it. And so if you know or have attended these crops, the big things are buttons. And so right off the bat, when you get to Expo, you get registered, all your tickets and everything to put in this handy dandy lanyard that you can wear from your neck. And so my daughter joined me on some of it. I bought her a ticket for everything I did except the 2 classes. And so she was in the crop. She came to Mega Make and Take, which is surprising because she doesn't like to craft with me. She can be crafty when she wants to be, but she doesn't do it very often. So anyway, back to the expo. So I might have 2 of things that you see. So going over the buttons. So you earn buttons by doing things at the expo, such as this. I returned, which just means that I was there last year and I returned this year. I shopped. In order to receive this button, you had to produce $150 worth of receipts from the showroom floor that you shopped at. Believe me, I did more damage than that. What else? I have some older ones because I took those to swap. You can swap with the staff of the expo. They usually have some of their own buttons, like Scrappy Boy Sean. This is his button. As well as another crafter there in the weekend crop. She was trading buttons and she made this button. How cute is this? And then I played. Not really sure what that is, what this one is from, but I believe it might just because you participated in the contests at the play date crops. In the evenings they have a contest, and based on a theme, you decorate for that theme, your table, you, whatever. And so because we played, I think I got that one. Here's another I returned, I played. Oh, and I learned, I got an I learned from one of the classes I took. It came with the I learned. Oh, I think the I played was for Dave's card swap. And I shared the card that I was using in the card swap on a previous video. I'll link it here if you did not get to see it. But those are those buttons. And then here you go. Because we decorated, one of the crop themes nights were emoji, and so that's why I have a bunch of this emoji stuff. I'm going to use them to scrapbook my weekend. I have all my tickets, my door prize tickets, and then my event tickets and class tickets. And then the first night was a camping theme, and so I decorated, I dressed up, crop play date, camping theme. This is our table.
Yes. Yeah.
And our crafty friend Sarah, she made this awesome sign for us. And then we have a little cat tent.
What'd you say?
With all our snackies and our bonfire and our camp lanterns. Those were the buttons we received that night because we decorated and dressed it up. Also got this from another crop attendee, and then this was from Eric. He's one of the staff for the expo. He had his own button as well he was giving away. And then we also got these. If you got 4 buttons, you could go back to registration and just show them your buttons, your 4 different buttons, and then they give you this medallion that says I conquered. So this is the first year it doesn't have a year on it. Usually it's stamped every year, and so last year we got 2021s and not 2021s, and the only way to get a 2021 button was to go to a expo later in the year, you know, after they came to Mesa last September, but that's not happening. That was not happening. Anyway, so that's my medallion and my lanyard for playing and collecting the buttons over the weekend. These were part of our campfire decorations. I saved my wristbands for Friday and Saturday's crop. These were some buttons I was using to trade as well. One of my crafty table mates gave these to us for the emoji day or night. And then this was a button I got from Down the Rabbit Hole. So pretty much that's registration. That's just a very good general. I'll dive into details. My next video I'll show you, I've talked about it before, where we all make kits and take them to we all meaning my group of friends. There's 4 of us. We make card kits for each other and then bring them there, and then we assemble them there at the crop. That just gives us something to do, and it's fun. And so I'll share with you some of that and then some of the gifts that they shared with me. So stay tuned for the next video. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see you here. And until my next video, shaka!